Building a full stack application normally takes weeks or even months. You need front-end development, back-end APIs, authentication, database, deployment, and a lot more. And for most people, that is where the idea dies. But what if AI could build the entire SaaS for us? Today I am going to test exactly that. Using Hostinger Horizons, I'll try to build a complete client portal full stack SaaS using only prompts. No manual coding, no experience, just English prompts. And by the end of this video, we will see whether AI can actually create something production ready or not. And let's check the demo what we are going to build today. Landing page, login page, admin dashboard, client dashboard, file upload system, invoice management, project tracking, mobile responsiveness, and many more. And the crazy part is, most of this was generated using AI prompts. And at the end, we will deploy our project also. For this experiment, we will use Hostinger Horizons because normally when we are building a SaaS application or a website, we need multiple tools like front-end framework like React, backend services, a database, authentication, hosting, deployment, and often dozens of third-party integration. But Hostinger Horizons attempts to combine all these into a single AI-powered workflow instead of manually writing thousands of lines of code and buying domain name and hosting and deploying it. So Hostinger Horizons will do it for you just by a single prompt. You can generate your website or SaaS application and you can deploy it here. You can choose your domain name here. Before building this, let's look at to the pricing plan. So we will search Hostinger Horizons. Just search that. After searching, so let's move to the pricing. Click pricing. And we have Explorer 6.99 per month and the starter 13.99 per month, as it is the most popular and we are building a SaaS application and the starter one is best for us. So let's select this plan. So after selecting this, instead of selecting a single month, we will select 12 months because it will give us discount. So let's select first of all 1 month. You will see the difference like 19.99. It means 20 per month. But if we select 12 months, so it will give us discount right now, that is 13.99 per month. And also you will get free hosting for 12 months and also you will get a free domain for 1 year. And if we come here, we will have a coupon code also. So let's select this and here insert my coupon code Yusuf and apply it. You will get 10% discount right now 167. So after minus 10%, so you will have now 151. So just continue it. I have already bought this plan. So I will continue to generate our SaaS application. So after buying a plan, you will directly move to the Hostinger dashboard as you can see here. And here we will select on this horizons. So after selecting that, you will come here. I have already created these websites as you can see the list of website, but we would like to build a new one. So simply here you will see get a website plan here, add website. Look at select this button and we will move to the Hostinger Horizons. You can move to the WordPress, custom, Node.js, first Hostinger Horizons. As you can see, this is the landing page of Hostinger Horizons. So here, as you can see, just describe your idea so it will build your application for you. So I will paste my prompt here. I have described my idea in simple English. I would like to build a agency client portal. We have landing page for our client portal. The admin create client's account. What is your requirements? Just describe that in a single and plain English so it will build your application. Right now we want a client portal for an AI agency. So that's it. Let's press this button so it will generate our application right now. So before proceeding, it is asking us once these are working, file upload system. Before I start building, I need a few clarification. Admin account setup. So simple like this, I described it and press enter. So now it will go ahead and create this authentication system, admin dashboard, client dashboard, project tracking, sidebar navigation, demo admin account. So it will do all these tasks for us. Later we will just edit it, whatever we want to add and remove from our website. We can do by simply explaining in simple English. As you can see, it is generating code at the backend. You can see, and at the right side and at the left side, we can chat with these stinger horizons. If we want to edit something, add something, or we want to remove something, we will simply describe it here on the left side. So it will change the code and we will have the preview here. Let's wait until it completed. So this is what which has been generated for the first time. As you can see, streamline your client project, everything you need to manage, real-time collaboration, secure file sharing, project tracking, client management, and call to action in the footer. So let's go check it the responsiveness for mobile. Also for mobile, it will looks like this. Login, sign up. Let's go back to the desktop portion and let's log into the admin section. So let's press login and here we will write our admin@gmail.com. Let's press login. So we will move to the admin section. So as you can see, this is the admin dashboard. So look at, we have project status distraction, recent activity, client management, project invoices, files, and admin dashboard. And here you can see the user admin@gmail.com. Come here to the clients. As you can see, we can create a new client. Just simply add client and let's close it. Come here to the projects. Here you can add projects, add a new project. So yeah, there is project not found. We can simply ask to fix it. Okay, it will simply fix this error just in seconds now. So it has been fixed, the projects issue. As you can see the projects page, you can press this add new project. So new project, you can add a new project as you can see, and come here now to the invoices. And here we can add a new invoice. Files, we can upload files for a specific project, and come here to the settings. So there is the settings page. So let's simply describe create setting page, and so it will just create our setting page and the navigation right now just in seconds. Yeah, the setting page has been created, but the UI has been changed to dark mode. That's it. We will fix that later. As you can see, account setting, here you can upload your avatar and here full name and your email, and here you can change your password preferences. So these are details about the admin. So simply come here back to the dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Now let's sign in as the client also, but before signing that, let's check once the Stinger Horizon user interface. As you can see here, three tabs: preview. As we can see the preview of our website, and if we move to the data, as you can see, let's click the data. Here we have our database data, the data that we have stored. In this data tab page, we have two tabs here at the top: test data, live data. The test data is that you are testing locally. Right now we are testing locally and our data is stored here. As you can see the admin account, if we come here to the clients, I think we don't have any clients right now. We can add here client account also. But if we move to the live data, this is the data when we publish our website and our website is live and we deploy it, then we will see all data here. We can manage our data here, our database here. That's it. And here you can check the code, the files of your project. As you can see, these are the files of your project. All files are here, database and related and front-end code, everything is here inside this code tab. Come here back to the preview tab and let's log out once and let's create a client account. Admin can create client account and we can here sign up as a client also. That depends on your requirements. Whatever is your requirement, based on that you can manage your project, you can create your project. So here simply I will just write a rep. So I have filled the input field, so let's create our client account. So it says failed to create a record, so there is an issue, so let's ask to fix. So it will fix this issue just in seconds for us. So the issue has been fixed. Now let's create sign up and here we will just write. So that's it. Let's create account. The email address is in use or invalid. So let's check our data. Is the record already stored? So I think that was the users. Let's check the users. So yeah, here we can find that email. That's it. So let's go back to the preview, and here now we will log in. So we already had that account. Let's press the login button. So as you can see, we have logged in as client. Now this is the client dashboard. As you can see, just 3 cards at the top, and your projects and recent activity, and here my projects and invoices, files, and setting related to this client. So the setting page is just in dark mode, so we will fix that. So while building project, just test every section, every module, so then you will not face an issue later. Let's do one final step, that is to enhance the UI. Later we will publish our application. But one thing else that I would like to mention, let's first of all log out. For example, you want to edit a specific area. For example, you want to edit this area. So for that, here you can see select and edit. Select this icon, and here you can select a section, then you can edit it. Just ask here, so it will edit this specific section. But if you want visually edit the content here on our website, so simply here you can see edit content. Check this, and here you can edit your content. Simply select whatever you want, so just edit that, so it will see those. So let's just write to enhance our UI. So I will ask Hostinger Horizons to enhance UI, like add images to the landing page, enhance the admin and client UI, add client dashboard, UI with dark and light mode. That's it. I will ask from it, so it will enhance the UI. Then we will publish our SaaS application. So after the completion, now it looks like this, our project. Let's simply press this toggle. As you can see, it has changed to dark mode now, and press it back to the light mode. That's it. And let's log in now as admin first of all, and let's press the login button. So we will log in as admin. So we logged in as admin. We can add clients, and we can create projects, like simply create a project. Let's add project name AI chatbot. Select client. Right now let's create first of all a client. Add a new client, and here we will just assign a name, create client. So as you can see, the client has been created. Now we can edit and delete it. So now if we move to the projects and the create a project, we will see our client there. So let's come here to the client. As we can see the Sarah Technology, this client here, and we can just add the start date, end date, and status, like in progress, on hold, completed. So we can just change these things, like let's add one description, whatever is that, like that is in progress. That's it. You can just add the progress, like how much, 13% completed, and here you can select the start date. This is like start date, and the end date would be like this. That's it. And here you can add internal notes, create a project. The project has been added. Just come here, AI chatbot. As you can see, in progress, 13% completed, and here you can add invoices, related invoices, files, and settings. So it was all about our SaaS applications. Whatever you want to add the feature in the features in future, so simply just describe it here, so it will add that here. As we have edited our project, created clients, so based on your requirement, create your application, websites, whatever you want. So Hostinger Horizon will do it easily for you. But if you want any suggestions, simply ask from this AI, so it will give you the suggestions also for free without your credits. So whenever you completed your application, now we will publish it. You can directly publish your application here. So let's, at the right corner, you can see publish button. Press this publish button, so it will directly publish your website. You can add your custom domain, or you can use a temporary domain for testing, hosting a temporary domain. So we will see it just in seconds. So our website has been published. As you can see, the temporary domain, and you can connect with the custom domain. So I will move to this temporary domain. So let's view our site. So it will move to a new tab where we can see our website. As you can see, this is our website. This is the landing page, as you can see in here. Let's press dark mode. We will change it to the dark mode. You can add something else at the right side. And let's move to the login. I think we don't have live data. Let's close it. Come here to the data and we will come to the live data. We have admin account or not. If we didn't, so we will create our for ourselves. Yeah, we have admin account here. Simply just come here and we will, that's it. Press login button. So as you can see, we directly move to the admin page. Right now we don't have any client because in live database we don't have any records. As you can see, you can manage your data here. Come here to the clients. We don't have any client and live data. You can create a new client, just simply add the data as we tested there. So you can see everything here. Everything is fine and working here also. It was all about this, that we hosted our application. Whenever you want to add your custom domain, so just simply come here, connect a domain. You can connect your own domain with it. Just test it. Whenever it is working 100%, then connect your domain and your website will be live and published. So after publishing your website and you made changes, okay, right now we have published our website and we made some changes. So after making some changes, let's go back to the home page. For example, we made some changes to the home page. So then whenever you make changes here, I will go back to the home page, like edit content, and here you made some changes. After making changes, just come here to the publish and publish changes. Press this button so it will publish those changes also. Then you can see live those changes. And the best part about Hostinger Horizon is that whenever you publish your website, it is ready to be indexed by Google and the SEO is ready. That is the best option about the Hostinger Horizon to use. And your website, after living your website, the people can watch it whenever they search your website. So that was all about the Hostinger Horizon. If you would like to this, don't forget to click link in the description to start there, and also the coupon code. Use the coupon code use up there. It was all about the Hostinger Horizon. Don't forget to like the video and also leave a comment if you have any issue, any problem. So I am there to help you, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.